Hello everyone. Now I'm diagnosing the hard drive platter surface about its contamination situation. Okay. We need to go to my computer. This is a software to track the diagnosing progress. Okay, let's rotate the hard drive to check the surface. We can see the white dust, a lot of contamination on the top surface. And here we can see there are some platter scratches. This one seems deadly. That means if users put the new hits on the platter surface over the surface, the new hits will be damaged physically too. So for this kind of physical scratches, it is necessary to cut top it physically. And we can see there is still one fingerprint on the edge of the platter surface. Now let's continue rotating the surface and check other contamination. Okay, so it's full of dust. Okay, so we can try to rotate like this one to check the surface and finally decide how to clean the platter surface. And we can also check the air filter, and we can see this one is the air filter. We need to use the tweezers. Okay, we can see this one. You know, when the platter surface has a lot of dust, we need to swap this filter, air filter, as well, because this one is contaminated as well. It's very, very important. Okay. So after we find out this contamination situation, we need to enter the clean room and then extract the heads and platters. Because now we just check the top surface, we need to extract the platters out and clean the platter one by one. And finally, we put the platters back to the hard drive and adjust the motor balance or platter alignment. Okay, thank you for watching the video.